Hey guys, we received this daily brand vacuum storage bags for test and try. So let me just open up this. So they are the extra large bag. So basically, these are the plastic bags with a vacuum thing. So when you put in your soft thing like blankets or things which have some air inside, and you put up these in this big bags and then put a vacuum. So this will suck up all the air that is entrapped, make them fluffy, and it will save the space. So this is the whole set, and there are the four bags here. So let me just show it to you. They also come with some accessories to airtight closing of these bags and then the use and stuff. So you can see they are really big bags here and the extra large bags. And then also can be used to suck up the air for the comforters, blankets, bedding, clothes, pillow, duvets, or anything. So it's a really nice space saving thing. And this is for the vacuum. So let me just show that you can open up this like the zip and then put in the stuff, and then you can also use this applied tool to close up this zipper so that the air is entrapped, and then there is a plastic thing here that can be used for that as a clip. See, like you can just close it like this and this will seal up, and you also see a small opening there for the plastic one. You can see it's totally sealed. This is a nice tool to seal up these bags and then just vacuum to